So now what we're going to do is come to the back of the loom here. Oops. The loom here, and we take these. Now we make sure that they're in order. We don't want any crossovers. Okay, we'll pull them nice and snugly, and then we tie them. You put it under, or you can pull them up from the bottom if you'd rather. Pull them up, split this, cross those on top, cross them again on the bottom, and then you can just tie a bow. Okay, so we have effectively added those. You see, and I also pulled these other ones through and retied it, so they were there. Okay, now we have the same situation here. Okay, we have to come through there. So, once again, we have all these strings. I'll put them down on the bottom. And now I'll check the pattern, see which one the last one was at. Okay, so the last string was this one, and it went through number 4. And here they're going 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4, so now this one needs to be through 3. Okay, and the next one, of course, will go through number 2. Since it's 4, 3, so I'm in the rack number 2. I'll get this one here. And the next one will go through number 1. And you don't get these confused here, which string you're using. Okay, so we've gone 4, 3, 2, 1. So now we need to do it again. Go 4. Take our next string here. I guess this is putting on the warp, isn't it? 4 and then 3. We get our next string here. Three, and now on 2. And 1 will be the next one. Okay, and we have 2 more here to go. So we were at number 1, so now we go to number 4. And then this would be number 3. Okay, now, in a perfect world, the next one would be number 2. Let's check it out. It is. And the one after that would be number 1. It is! I did it right. Excellent. Hey, this is not hooked in there, is it? Oh. It needs to be twisted a bit here. Okay, so now that we've got those hooked on, those go through. Now we need to pull it through here. Okay. Don't drop any strings. And keep them in order in your hand here. Okay. Bring it up under your piece of wood here. This is a beaver chewed log I have here. You see the beaver chewed end? Bring it up underneath. Okay, then you split them in 2. Uh-oh, that one's very short there. I think I better get some more of him from the other side. Or I could just tie a little bit of string onto this side. That's what I'll do. A little piece of string here. And I will tie these together. Okay. Then this can come up with that. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Okay. Okay, so there we go. So now all of our heddles are full, aren't they? No, look at here, they're not. So here we have the same situation. We can add more through here. Okay, so I will get busy and do that. Okay.